So for this video, I am going to unbox this new power bank that I purchased through online. So let's do an unboxing. Inside the box, has the paperwork, warranty cards, and stickers. Aside from that, they have also a charging cable, which is a micro USB, the standard micro USB. And the power bank itself, and it's a bit heavy. Okay, let's peel this plastic off, and there you are. 3000 milliamp Baseus Bipow power bank. Okay guys, which in the sides you have this 5 volt with 3 amperes, and the other is you have micro USB and the Type-C charging port. On the side flat, there's nothing else aside from that's the screen. Aside this power button, or it's a wake up button. So inside, when you open the box, it has 34% of battery. So it's 15 watts, 3000 milliamp battery. So let's do the test. By the way, this travel adapter has 5 volt with 2 amperes. Okay, and before testing it, I need to drain first the battery inside this power bank so that I can check how much milliamp battery or how much power will go through going to this power bank. So it's 0% now. As you can see guys, this travel adapter has 5 volts and 2 amperes. So now it has 80 milliamp battery inside the power bank. So let's wait until it's full. So we keep on testing. We wait for how many hours for this one. So you can see guys, now it's 41% of the battery, or means the power inside this power bank has already 41%, and it has 11,107. So there you are, it's 100%. Now it's full battery, and it has 23,718. So if we do the math, divide by 30,000, multiply by 100, so it has 79%. So it passed the quality of 30,000 milliamps. So if we weight this one, it has 642 grams, so a bit heavy guys, but still it's worth it because it has 30,000 milliamp battery. So just a disclaimer, if this tester may not be accurate, still guaranteed that it has 30,000 milliamp capacity. Thank you for watching.